Okay, so we're going to be replacing this brake light. This is what they call the top brake light in the back. And I don't know if you can see, but there's two little cutouts here. And I'm just going to use my angle pry tool, pop those out. And I believe it's just a Phillips head screw. Maybe it's a hex nut, I'm not sure. But we'll pop those off and we'll find out. Okay, let's pop this off. I'm just going to start on the long end here. And I'm just going to sort of pull it. And this one came right out. And if you see, it is a Phillips head. So let's take this one out as well. Try not to lose it. Okay, let's take out these two Phillips head screws. Make sure you don't lose them when you take this out. Just like that. We'll take this out. You see the light is on the right-hand side. And you just twist it, apparently. Yeah, you just twist it. We'll take this out. It just pops out. This thing is clearly blown. The manufacturer says avoid touching it with your fingers, so I'm going to avoid touching it with my fingers. And it just pushes in. Yeah, let me check if that's in. I'm going to hit the brakes and we'll make sure this comes on before I put it back together. Okay, so the light's working. Okay, so we know the light's working. We simply just pop it in. Give it a twist. That's it. I'm going to push this back in. All right, we'll put this screws back in. The ones that I dropped. Okay. These are a little deep, so just make sure they're snug. Don't have to be super tight. All right, now just for good measure, I'm going to test it one more time. So now we just have to pop these little tabs in. Now I'm going to put the angle part, which is longer. I'm going to slip that in first. And then the back, I'm just going to push. That's it. That one's done. Same thing. Put the long end in. Of course, you have to line it up.
Like a puzzle, I guess.
Push it in, just pop. That's it. That's it. Done. That's all there is to it.